Hi guys, I'm a structural engineer and I also learn how to write tool for the Revit API in Python programming language. I love my programming job to apply to construction field. In my opinion, in the technology era, anyone can learn programming easily through YouTube channels and uh, popular websites and so on. It's important thing you personally wonders and persevere with it. But how do you learn the right way and apply it for what? What are the functions and where do they put them? It's clear. It's clear that the multitude of theories and literatures on the internet can distract you. Uh, I I do not am to con and entice you learn my way, but I want to share something that I underwent through my process of searching a review of knowledge on Google, groups on Facebook, until suddenly I told the CEO of Pyan my desire is to learn and develop more programming. He helped me and gave me the opportunity to learn and work part-time through the non-theoretical literatures, not not taught too much. Yeah. um, the code clearly explained in video. I follows and imitate wherever I just uh, need the documents, and I just type the right way on Google. I can search easily. It's at least I know what I want and I know what I look for. Yeah. This self much more times. I look at this code when reviewing the documents, and I learn clearly through my step-by-step practice, and I got a quick understanding um, of how the function apply to correct and how it will run the result in the Revit software. Learning Python's not only write tone Revit API, but also expands to many other things. As long as you believe you can do it. You can fully the initiative in time investing for yourself because of learning through the online video 100% online. Okay, if you have any questions in the learning process, don't hesitate to ask the instructor. You will please answer. Okay, and now that's all. Goodbye.